Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise before you to offer an amendment to House Bill 4486. I am honored to speak on this bill, not only as a single mother raising a young man with principles to help shape him to become the adult that I will hope he become, but also as a former prosecutor. I bring the perspective as both to the table when offering my amendment. I offer this amendment because as a state representative and as a former prosecutor, I truly believe that it is our job as a body to protect the children here in the state of Michigan, but also to empower parents to be able to raise their children with the respect and wholesome principles that will guide them throughout their lives. While I believe that my colleague may have the right intent, the bill just goes too far, seeking to incarcerate parents for up to 2 years for doing their job as a parent. If we focus on the terminology of the bill as child abuse, we may be misguided, and there's a thin line between corporal punishment and child abuse. And where you fall on the line is very subjective and decided by a prosecutor who may or may not have had life experiences to determine where you should be. We also know that there has been biases in both prosecution and policing, and we know that corporal punishment is could possibly be a cultural difference, merely a cultural difference. I would urge you to adopt my amendment because it reduces the in the proposed amendment or the House bill, they want to make it a felony on the second offense that you discipline your child. If you discipline your child once, it's a misdemeanor. If you discipline your child twice, it's a felony. My proposed amendment just reduces that or eliminates the felony in fourth degree child abuse. Fourth degree child abuse. I am not talking about first degree, second degree, nor third degree where it puts a child at higher risk. I'm talking about fourth degree, which is often misinterpreted in a court of law as merely spanking your child depending on who or what the prosecutor believes. So I come before you today, once again, urging you to adopt this amendment. As a single mother of a young man, it is very difficult as a single mom to raise a young man without having some type of ability to discipline my child. And this, again, goes way too far, so I ask that and I encourage you and urge you to adopt the amendment to House Bill 4486. Thank you.